this time you took after me. Can we start over? Will you give me another chance? This is who you are, son. Who we are.